Unraveling Possessive Determiners. Mastering my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on possessive determiners. We'll understand the proper usage of my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, and we'll be correcting some common errors. Grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. Possessive determiners, as the name suggests, are words that show possession or ownership. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Remember, these words always come before a noun. For example, this is my book. Your idea is brilliant. The dog wagged its tail. It's all coming back, right? Great! Now let's see how to avoid common mistakes with possessive determiners. The key to mastering possessive determiners is understanding where and how they should be used. Here are some common mistakes, along with the corrections. Mistake: the cat wagged its tail. Correction: the cat wagged its tail. Mistake: this is me book. Correction: this is my book. Remember, its is a possessive determiner and should be used when referring to something that belongs to or is associated with a thing or animal mentioned earlier. Its is a contraction of it is or it has. Also, me is an object pronoun, not a possessive determiner. You should use my before a noun to indicate something belongs to you. Now, let's get some practice correcting errors with possessive determiners. I'll say a sentence with an error, and then we'll correct it together. Error: he's going to bring their car. Correction: he's going to bring their car. Error: your opinion matters to us. Correction: your opinion matters to us. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from practicing these exercises as much as you need. Well done, learners! You've just enhanced your understanding of possessive determiners and corrected some common mistakes. Keep practicing these lessons, and soon you'll master the use of my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. As always, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're stepping stones to learning. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next lesson.